You would have had me.
We need somebody to Photoshop it, put my first run against your first run. My first run against your first run, I won. Yeah.
It sounded good and it looked great.
You can just tell them we didn't get there on side by side.
It's good. Yeah.
Oh wait, there's a problem with that. Because I think Darren just saw it on like live TV or something.
Live? Ooh, that's gonna be hard to BS past.
When you want to turn that on?
Oh, it's already on.
It's on now?
Oh.
Oh.
That's not good. Go ahead, give me my beat. I went faster. Let me try and figure out how to.
I don't know how much of that. Is this live too? Oh, you're doing a live feed thing? So
Oh,
I wonder if, hey Darren, hi.
Yeah, bye.
Kevin, Jana's my sponsor. So Jana and I can't remember the name of her McGill Law Firm, I think, LLC. Yeah, I think hopefully we did you proud.
Yeah, I'm happy for you.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Especially if it's
I got nothing. Yeah. Okay.
Bully!
My 894 beats your 898.
So I don't know how much of that you got, but
So 3 out of 5.
3 out of 5. We did. Seriously, we decided it was going to be a 3 out of 5 thing because we're having fun with this. And however it was going to work out, we wanted to keep going. So we're just having fun with it. And,
Well, you're having more fun.
to
A
898 to a 902. Our reaction time.
My
Clay said,
894 earlier beats his 898.
Clay said, don't red light. So I wanted to make sure I didn't red light. So I let Clay leave first this time. His reaction time was a 127.
Oh yeah, 127.
And I didn't red light. I went
No.
a 128.
Yeah.
So Clay left first. But
Yeah.
tell him what happened. I didn't mean to intimidate you that bad.
No, that wasn't it. I was busy looking at you instead of my tag.
It is. I told you, it's a beautiful car.
Yeah.
It's not as beautiful as yours. Okay,
At
let
that
me
time,
get this
I was
straight.
still looking at the side of it.
Okay, this is not a beautiful car like Clay's beautiful.
No.
But 66s are just like,
Nah, not really. I put 60.
I don't know if you got that stuff that was up there in the staging lanes.
You won. There, I said it. It hurt. It hurt bad. I know. Yeah. You won. Go on.
JoJo helped you out.
Yeah,
That
damn
magic
JoJo.
horsepower.
JoJo helped you
Thank
out.
you, Clay, for the magic horsepower in
That
JoJo.
damn magic horsepower. Got me again.
Magic horsepower.
Twice.
Maybe you better take her back.
Dill's JoJo the tiger. That's my tiger.
No.
Okay, whatever. JoJo's working.
That was a good trade.
JoJo works. He said he's going to send that thing over to Australia or something.
Yeah. Oh, great. Now I don't get my flag from those guys.
You better wait till.
They promised me a flag if I kicked your ass. Hey, 894.
And Roger said you guys were winners.
Yeah.
Hey, I don't know if Roger Rose is a buddy of ours. What are you doing, sir? Sir, this is live. Oh gosh, this is.
There's nothing to see here.
Buddy of mine.
He's your BFF. He's still buddies with
He
Dill.
used to be a friend of mine,
Until he met me. And it was
and then
so
Clay
long
stole him
deal.
away. He used to be a gasser bro. Now he's a classical gas bro.
Wasn't he still wearing a Gasser Bro shirt at the beach?
Yeah. Yeah, you're sweating.
Yeah. He said he took all of his performance paint and chassis shirts, right? But he must have got them all dirty or something. 'Cause he's got like a dozen of them. But I don't know why he would have put mine on.
He's probably rolling around the mud.
I'm having too much fun.
Traitor. Evidently, it does have magical horsepower to make your pile go that fast.
I didn't take the bow off.
Good.
He was upset. Oh,
Oh,
What the?
I guess that means we need to leave?
apparently.
Okay, so,
Midnight drags are over at 9:30.
yeah, I guess that concludes.
10:30.
That concludes, folks, that concludes our show
There
for
we go.
this evening. I got to take my cruise down here, taking my wheelie bars off, so that's nice.
Yeah,
And,
you didn't need them.
We got to get loaded up. Yeah, I don't
that help?
know if it did or not. No. Could you tell? Were you that far behind me?
No, actually, I was still inside.
You
Yeah.
were right next to me.
Yeah. Until second gear, and then you went a car length, and then you just stayed there the rest of the
Yeah,
time.
if you just want to
Yeah,
see
that's
one,
what it
you
is.
know, I can close it down.
There you go.
Crap. Okay. All right, everybody.
All right.
Thank you, Clay, for coming down.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you, Sherry, for letting Clay come down. We know you hold the power.
3 out of 5.
3 out of 5, buddy. 3 out of 5. Am I coming up there for an 8-mile race next time?
Yeah, come to your home track where they screw around with the lights. They did it again to me. Flickering the bulb on me made me stay
Flickering the
the
bulb,
white.
giving you an instant green.
Yeah, again.
But you ran faster on your instant green.
Yeah, but
But he was alone.
didn't have anybody distracted me over there.
Hi, Clay.
Bye.
Yeah,
That's
All right.
crap.
Terry, thank you for coming over and filming this and hooking us all up with the GoPros and stuff. Hopefully
problem.
those turned out cool.
Yeah, I hope that works out.
Yeah, I can't wait. Will we be able to
Clay
see that
got in the
stuff?
correct lane this time, so
Yeah,
we're good there.
Yeah,
That's
thank you,
good.
Clay.
Yeah, thanks, Clay.
Thank you, Clay.
Thank you for honoring the heads and whatever, how that worked out. We did a coin flip up in the lane.
Need a memory claim to put in, huh?
You won, and I told you which lane you were taking.
Yeah, thank you.
And you did. It's pretty good.
Oh,
Well, anyway,
that was close. Okay.
Good job.
Yeah, cool.
Good job.
Cool. That was
Hi,
fun.
Darren.
That was fun.
Darren said bye, Clay.
Yeah.
We're down. We're down.
Bye, Darren.
We, we're doing 3 out of 5.
Okay. Yeah.
some more
Okay.
punishment?
Again, that's wrap.
There.
All right.